Hello, everybody. I'm Nathan Mellenbrink. I'm lecturer and founding lead instructor of the Climate and Sustainability Systems thread. Our founding faculty lead is Professor Mike Short, who's away on sabbatical in Singapore, but sends his regards and congratulations to our graduating seniors. The NEET Climate and Sustainability Systems thread provides the necessary training to innovate materials, devices, processes, and network systems to support the imperative transition to net zero greenhouse gas emissions and a more sustainable planet. There's our graduating seniors. Okay. The CSS thread emphasizes decarbonization across our energy and industrial systems while maintaining awareness of the potential for unintended consequences and shifting the burden to other social, economic, and environmental metrics of sustainability. Our thread-specific courses include 22 SO94, which is a capstone class that builds on our 3 years in running collaboration with the National University of Mongolia, looking to help address their coal pollution problem. We also feature a seminar series and an intro to design thinking and rapid prototyping course.
All right, so I'm Brittany. I'm one of the graduating seniors in NEET CSS this year. I'm a course 2, which is mechanical engineering, if you aren't aware. So one of the flagship components and one of the parts of the program that I've most thoroughly enjoyed is the seminar, where we have a weekly lecture series that students can engage in intimate and informal dialogue with guest speakers from industry, governments, NGOs, and startups who are working on the cutting edge of the energy transition. Over the past several semesters, speakers have included Dr. Peter Goddard from Found Energy, Adria Peterkin on environmental justice, Dr. Jordan Kennedy from Indigenous Led, Professor Yet-Ming Chong of MIT Inform Energy, and then many more. The CSS seminar also includes some structural and informal debates, which have been really exciting to do in this seminar, where we talk about challenging topics related to climate adaptation and renewable energy, and it also provides a forum for students to present their own initiatives.
And then another component of our thread is our sophomore level project course, which is called Intro to Design Thinking and Rapid Prototyping. So here's Xavier and Brittany posing in the photo. This subject provides hands-on experiences in creativity, problem scoping, prototyping, system design, and integration, problem solving and debugging, and portfolio design and communication. In previous years, we worked on the collective design and construction of a solar cooking device, which would be capable of collecting energy from the sun during the day and storing it for several hours to use in the evening. However, this past year, we took the class in a new real-world direction by designing and fabricating a functional solar-powered charging station where students can work outside while charging their electronic devices. We briefly installed this charging station at MIT Open Space, as pictured there, this spring, and we plan to install it again at the beginning of the fall semester in the alumni courtyard right outside of 3001. So remaining NEET students, stay tuned for this structure and go out and enjoy it during the beginning of the fall semester. And pictured there is current NEET sophomore, Celestina, who hopefully you all will see here in a couple years as she graduates. So just a bit of an overview of the direction of the thread, and I think it's been a real pleasure working with this cohort, having them in seminar, and we're more, a very sort of, in terms of projects that students are working on, the courses that they're taking, very diverse. And I think what's been really special about this cohort is many of them have worked on very heavy-duty climate projects sort of on their own accord, and they've been able to sort of share that with the rest of the students in the seminar. So a lot of emphasis on student-driven projects, including the new direction for the charging station.